three famous consoles are neck and neck in competition: the Nintendo, the PlayStation, and the Xbox. The first Nintendo was released in 1977. The first PlayStation was released in 1994, and the Xbox was first released in 2001. But of the three of them, Nintendo is slowly phasing out, because PlayStation and Xbox are extremely innovative, and most people like them for them. But until in 2017, when Nintendo decided to create or to build the Nintendo Switch. Unfortunately, it was not enough to compete with PlayStation and Xbox. In fact, since its inception, Nintendo only sold about 700 million units worldwide. PlayStation 2, however, this was released in 2000, released or sold 1 million units in one day. If you were to ask players which console they like, they would never even think of Nintendo Switch. I'm not a gamer myself, but only until I researched Nintendo that I knew there is still Nintendo Switch in production. Why am I talking about this? It's because while I was driving, I realized something, and I remembered the quote by Nokia when they were interviewed, and the CEO, I think, said they didn't do anything wrong, but they still lost. Basically, what I'm trying to say is, if you remain stagnant, if you don't try to innovate yourself or whatever you're doing in life, if you don't try to up your capacity or your skill, you will be lost and you will lose. So do your best. Today I'm doing my first mail time. This is the first package. I have three packages. 1, 2, and 3. Let's open this first. It's a portable handheld fan. Why do I have 2? Second item. Can you see my hair? Ta-da! And for the third one, it's a car seat, baby car seat for Zeke. In a few minutes, 3 minutes, I'm going to start my meeting, and I am presenting the meeting.